Hey guys, I want to talk to you about our favorite joint support product to help all of our achy joints and help rebuild cartilage and just the internal stuff that happens in our joints. So this is an incredible blend that we've used for quite a long time, over a decade almost. It has an enzyme delivery system to ensure that you're absorbing it all. So it's not always about the milligrams of something. Higher milligrams does not mean better. Better means better. And when we talk about better with nutrition, it means it has all this other synergistic friends working with it. So this has, the MSM, glucosamines, the yucca, all those little things that are good for our joints and rebuilding any problems in those joints. So it's a very well done formula. It's a blend of whole food nutrients with that delivery system to ensure you're getting all of those nutrients absorbed so that we can help nourish our joints over time.